Hi everybody, I am Riya Palkhiwala, a special educator at Sundarji's Global Academia. So today I've come to talk to you about a few myths on autism. There are quite a few actually, but we are going to be just discussing a few. Children with autism are not interested in social interaction. This is not true. In fact, a lot of children are extremely interested in interacting with others, and they are capable of forming meaningful relationships and friendships. They generally have an extremely strong bond with important people in their lives, like their families, friends, partners, and even children. One myth that is very popular in the autism circle is that autism is caused by poor parenting or refrigerator mothers. In the 1950s, there was an assumption that autism was caused by emotionally distant or cold parents. Although the exact cause of autism is unknown, it is now firmly established that the development of autism has nothing to do with parenting style. A lot of people believe that individuals with autism are violent. And though there have been a lot of recent stories where we do observe cases with autistic children becoming violent and aggressive, it is generally because of an underlying condition, something maybe because of an overload of sensory input that is there, emotional distress, or there is something that the child is not being able to express. We know that children with autism struggle with communicating, and sometimes these acts of violence generally are provoked by an increase in anxiety. So it doesn't make sense to assume that all people with autism are violent. A lot of people do believe that autism can be cured. Unfortunately, though, there is no current cure for autism. Although early identification and intensive behavior therapy does help sometimes, understanding the child and teaching them daily living, emotional and behavior regulation skills can also definitely help. And working with the child to improve his social skills is also proven to be effective. There are a lot of stories and a lot of cases where parents have suggested that autism is caused by vaccines, specifically the MMR vaccine. There is no evidence though that the childhood vaccines cause autism. Even though in 1998 there was a study which proved that, later on it did get disproved. So there is no sure of what the exact cure is, but right now we have no evidence that vaccines are the cause of autism. It is always important for us to remember to ask questions and don't make assumptions. So I would like to end the video by saying this: in case you have any doubts, any myths you heard, anything you're not sure about, you can always contact us below in the comments and let us know what your doubts are, and we'd be happy to answer.